Okay, so we have here Euclidean algorithm. So ang Euclidean algorithm is a step-by-step process. So hindi po siya formula. So this is used in order to find the greatest common divisor or GCD of two integers. Okay. So let's start with this first problem. So let's find the GCD of 36 and 21. So first thing we need to do is to copy the larger number. So that is 36. And then equate natin kay 21. Then next is to divide 36 by 21. And then yung magiging quotient na i-multiply natin sa smaller number. So 36 divided by 21 is 1. The next, i-multiply natin si 21 sa quotient. And then subtract natin kay 36. So 21 times 1 is 21. And 36 minus 21 is 15. So yan na yung remainder, si 15. So i-add lang natin. And then si 21 naman, so papalitan niya si larger number. And then yung smaller number naman papalitan ng remainder natin. Ganyan siya. And then repeat the process. 21 divided by 15. So that is 1. 15 times 1 is 15. And 21 minus 15 is 6. So we repeat natin yung process hanggang ang makuha nating remainder ay 0. So as you can see, my pattern, 15 divided by 6, so that is 2. And 6 times 2 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. And may pattern siya. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So at this point, titigil na tayo kasi ang remainder natin is 0. So saan nga ba dyan yung ating GCD? Okay, so let's focus dito sa last column. So usually ang GCD dito is yung number after the equal symbol or equal sign. So that is 3. So meaning yung GCD ni 36 and 21 is 3. Ganyan lang siya. Okay. So how about this one? 360 and 48. Okay, again, copy natin si 360. Equate natin kay 48. So always na mauna yung larger number bago yung smaller number, okay? 360 divided by 48. So that is 7. And then 48 times 7. So that is 336. 360 minus 336. That is 24. In 48 divided by 24. So that is 2. And 24 times 2 is equal to 48. And 48 minus 48 is 0. Okay, so mag-stop na tayo dito. And then let's focus dito sa last column. So again, yung GCD is the number after the equal sign or symbol. So that is 24. Therefore, ang GCD ni 360 and 48 is 24. Okay, so yan lang dito sa ating video. So actually, hindi siya ganon kahirap. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.